Freedom for me.
Freedom for me.
Freedom is the
Independence from all the external factors.
Capability of doing anything.
Restriction free life.
Freedom मेरे लिए कुछ भी करने से पहले सोचना ना पड़े.
Freedom for me is finding a way out to overcome every obstacle.
Learning to do things on your own.
Overcome your fears to face the world. Guts and strength to face all the odds.
power to act, speak, and being without any hindrance.
दिमाग से बंदिशें हटाओ और फ्री हो जाओ.
It takes vigorous training of mind and body.
Truly and firstly, freedom requires a fight with oneself first.
Freedom demands ability to fight the world. Freedom needs physical and mental strength to break all the limits.
I care deeply for the freedom of body, mind, and spirit.
फ्रीडम के लिए सबसे पहली लड़ाई तो अपने अंदर से ही लड़ना पड़ती है.
It's a fight with oneself for betterment.
Physical strength at times.
Monetary powers plays a very important role. Mind's disability to think bigger and aim higher.
Why feel imprisoned in a body that you do not like?
बचपन से मिला सोसाइटी का डर.
Fear of failure.
Yes, we should do physical and mental exercise regularly.
Definitely, every problem has a solution. So realize your goals and free yourself from all restrictions and take a stand for yourself. Meditation could be a way.
This year, let this be the year of the best body of your life.
एक्सपर्ट से बात करके अपने सोच के दायरे को बढ़ाना.
Always believe in yourself.
Every disability in life has a treatment. There is no disability or a failure in life that cannot be conquered upon. Obesity is one such disability. As a bariatric surgeon, day in and day out, I deal with obese patients. And I feel that there is something in them which makes them less free and devoid of their freedom. If you consult a healthcare personnel who can give you your freedom back, that's the best thing in your life you can do. And bariatric surgery along with lifestyle modification can give you the freedom from obesity. This independence, let's pledge that we will not give our future generation the same problems of obesity this generation is suffering from. I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day.
Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.
Wish you a very happy Independence Day. Wish you a very happy Independence Day.
Wish you a very happy Independence Day.
Wish you a very happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to all my fellow Indians.